Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Coco with AirBFT Shock Absorber Distribution Center. Today, our exhibition car is come back. I will show you the posture of our AirBFT, the control system, and how to use it.
Then let me show you how to make the vehicle the posture
就算这个
be lowering down.
硬件的问题，这个气压模式也是因为气压模式。
Okay, that's all, and thanks for your watching. Today, I have finished how to the rising and folding the vehicle posture. And if you have interest of our products, please click like, follow me. The plain vehicle posture modification that getting lost. See you.